young children slaving away in appalling rat-hole coal mines.
Even Bishal, Bikash's 10-year-old younger brother, works here. Impulse estimated there were up to 70,000 children working in the mines of Meghalaya.
और विशाल कहाँ है? जाएगा ना अभी?
The rescue was just the first step on a long and uncertain journey for the boys.
जब 12 वर्षको थिएँ म कोइला खानीमा काम गर्थेँ कोइल माइनमा अनि हसिना म्याम आएर इम्प्लोस NGO नेटवर्कले सपोर्ट गरेर 7 वर्ष भयो होला अनि जे होस् अहिले चाहिँ ठिकै छ जहाँसम्म पुगेको छु.
We have seen that rehabilitation has been one of the biggest challenges for children who have been internally displaced or displaced across the borders, especially from the refugee camp, from the rat hole mines of the state of Meghalaya. I thought to myself, how would it be to actually address these challenges of rehabilitation through a game of football?
Football is one sport that really teaches way of life. I think it teaches a child to become a team person. In football, there are matches which you win, where you lose. I think you start experiencing both victory and losses together.
That bustling midfielder. Bhaichung Bhutia.
We have three main parts involved in this collaboration. On one hand, we have
Impulse NGO Network, having able to respond more than 74,000 of women, girls and children from all forms of exploitation in Southeast Asia in this collaboration effort with
MyCop, which is the educational part in this Roots 22 project that is focused in giving these kids the essential skills and teach them how to be entrepreneurs and how to make money and how to build their own future to be someone in life. Third part, we have Bhaichung Bhutia Football Academy, which is going to be the essential part here.
The entire concept is a residential program where the kids gonna come and stay here and try and become a good footballer. So we'll have great qualified coaches to train them. The first option is we want to give them the opportunity and platform to become footballers, but at the same time their education is not missed out.
the long experience of 37 years looking for opportunities to give meaning to the children who have been exploited in labor, especially in the coal mines of Meghalaya. What goes beyond education is helping them carve their own dreams.
फुटबल खेल्ने सपना थियो त्यो पनि आस्तेले हुँदैछ हैन भइराको सपनाहरु पुरा